Stand on any corner of a city street and you're bound to encounter many different kinds of people. But one thing they all have in common is that they all have something to complain about. And one thing they complain a lot about is noise. Sometimes we complain about sounds that are too loud. And other times we complain about sounds that are annoying and get on our nerves. Perhaps the sounds we complain the most about are the ones that are both loud and annoying. At the World Cup in 2010, there was a huge uproar about vuvuzelas, the horns that were the favorite of many South African soccer fans. It's easy to understand why loud noises bother us. They can actually hurt our ears and cause hearing loss. But the sounds that are most annoying often aren't that loud. Like nails on a chalkboard, or a knife on a glass, or this angle grinder. Scientists aren't completely sure why these sounds are so annoying. One theory is that these sounds have a similar frequency to a human scream or a baby's cry, which to our brains are two of the most stressful sounds in the world. One thing we do know, people have strong opinions about noises that annoy them.
One thing that bothers me is when somebody at work is talking really loudly on their cell phone. I get so irritated.
What's a noise that bothers me? Well, something that bugs me is my sister's laugh.
How anyone can listen to one of those loud motorcycles all the time is beyond me.
Yeah, I hate that too.
My question is, why does music on elevators have to be so awful? It almost makes me sick.
Cicadas. They just get under my skin. I don't know why they have to make that sound.
A fork on glass. That absolutely drives me up a wall.
I'm sorry, but where do you even hear that? Do you spend a lot of time putting forks on glass at your house? The world is full of noise, and much of it is very unpleasant. And sometimes it can really drive you crazy. For Channel 11 News, this is Jennifer Trumbull.